I can fix that for you. Now, what colour were the trees and the grass?
Green and yellow.
Got it.
Oh wait, I meant...
He looks nicer like this.
Now that that's taken care of, we can finally start the battle for the power of two!